This is Unit 9, Lesson 6, Recognize and Draw Lines of Symmetry. Today it is Identify and Describe a Line of Symmetry. The way that we're going to apply that is by folding shapes to identify a line of symmetry, draw and identify a line of symmetries, explain and describe a line of symmetry, and complete a shape from a line of symmetry. Nicole, I talked to you about the questions. If I fold the shape in half, will the pieces match exactly? And are there other ways I can do this with the same shape? I actually just don't think these are good, but I'm having a hard time remembering what I said to you. I think it's, what is a line of symmetry? Does this shape have a or many lines of symmetry? And how do I know? How do I know, or how can I prove it? I think is also like the thing. One quick thing when you're teaching kids this, it's small, but when I go through, I actually label each line of symmetry I make. I'm gonna show you really quickly because it's helpful for kids. So if I want to find a line of symmetry, I want to create mirror images on each side. I usually go a little bit further out from each side. I label this one line of symmetry. Pivot, how can I see it? 2 lines of symmetry. If you don't put these labels on at the end, it's really hard for a kid to count up, because what they're gonna end up counting is the pieces, or they'll forget where they started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but what's the chance they don't count those on? So it's a quick little thing that'll actually help them in the long run. Kids have a hard time identifying multiple lines of symmetry. So being able to see this is easier than being able to see that. And so what we want is kids actually do have to have these cut out. You do have to let them play with them, because it's going to help build the concept of this doesn't have a line of symmetry because you can't fold it exactly in half to make a mirror image. And you need to talk about like different parts of the room that have lines of symmetry.